In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy method of dealing with fractions during examination in order to save time. Now let's say you have 3 over 5 and then you want to add 1 over 6. Now the first thing to do is to multiply the bottom numbers. 5 times 6 is 30. Now let's multiply the diagonals. So we are going to multiply 6 and 3 and then 5 and 1. Now make sure that you always take the denominator of the second fraction to multiply the numerator of the first fraction. So it's always 6 times 3. Now 6 times 3 is 18. And then you have 5 times 1, which is 5. And that's equal to 23 divided by 30. Very simple. Now let's say you want to subtract 1 over 6 from 3 over 5. The same way, we are going to multiply the bottom numbers first, or the denominators. So 5 times 6 is 30. And then you multiply 6 by 3, and that's 18. And then minus 5 times 1 is 5. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So we have 13 over 30. If you like the content of this video, feel free to like, comment and share among friends. Don't forget to subscribe to receive more interesting videos. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.